Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn how to disable add to cart button for the guest. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. All my videos are the Magento latest version, that is 2.4.6. My all extensions are compatible with the 2.4.6 version, right? So here we go with the catalog. So go to the catalog, then we have a catalog. Here I have added a field which name is guest, where it is, where we have a products, storefront, where is storefront. So here we are going with this one, product allows default value disable add to cart for the guest buttons. Here you can see that disable add to cart button, enable, save this, cache management, flush. Here we go with the, here you can see that here you can see that I'm not logged in right now. Okay, so go to the test product. So here you can see that add to cart button is disabled because I'm logged in as a guest. So if I go and sign in with my account, so this is account is already there, sign in. Okay, now you can see that add to cart button is enabled. So this is how, let's go dive into the code level. Okay, so disable add to cart button. So first of all we have the etc, then we have a plugin, then registration file. So first registration file with disable add to cart, then go to the etc with the admin html, then system.xml where we have the configuration for yes or no. So this is the configuration file for this, for the enabling yes or no button. Over here you can see that where we have added. So here we go with the system configuration, stores configuration. So whatever we have added a button in the catalog page, catalogs. So here we go with the storefront. So this yes or no button, right? This yes no button is coming up with this file, right? So store wide yes or no. So where we have a config, so we have using the default Magento config source model for the yes and no. Then we have a di.xml where we have a plugin which we are using for that one for the customization. That is sellable plugin. So this is plugin is sellable. So where we have the logic over here, right? So here you can see that. So Rajnikant disable add to cart, right? So here we go with the section that is disable add to cart. We have a configuration, okay, which we are getting in, right? After this, we have after is sellable. Check if the disable add to cart button and if the customer is logged in. Okay, so this here we have added the function after is sellable. Okay, so scope interface, scope store, we are checking the disable add to cart button what the value it is. If it is, then return to, otherwise return false. Okay, so this is how this simple code will help you to disable add to cart button for the guest user. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.